Creating a vibrant feature living wall and enhancing your outdoor space is easy with our Mobile GreenWall. Remove the pieces from the box and lay out all the parts. Identify which poles have the wheels on the end, as you'll be starting with these to create the base of your green wall. Locate the arrow towards the base of each pole. This is where you'll need to place your clip. Grab both sides of the clip and place one on each side of the pole. Make sure the arrow on each clip is pointing upwards. Slide the clip until it clicks into the groove on the pole for a secure connection. Repeat this step for all 4 poles. Slide the metal frame with the wire base over the clips and onto the poles. The shorter 2 of the 4 poles will form the front face of your Mobile GreenWall. Press down firmly over the clips to ensure it's in place. Locate the next set of arrows and slide an additional clip onto each pole, then click the clip into place. Screw the next set of poles onto the back of your Mobile GreenWall on both sides, making sure the arrows are pointed upwards. Place the next set of clips over the arrows and slide the frame hanger over this set of clips, pressing down firmly. Repeat this step for the next frame hanger. Screw the last remaining poles into the top of the Mobile GreenWall and put on the last 2 frame hangers. Now it's time to pot the plants. Use a good quality potting mix and some coir peat to make sure the plants don't dry out too quickly. Once your plants are in, place one planter box into the wire base and the other on the lowest frame hanger. Arrange your small pots however you'd like. The wheels allow you to move your Mobile GreenWall wherever is best suited for your plants. Follow the sun or move into the shade, depending on your plant choice. Once in place, push down the clips on the 2 front wheels to secure the position. Holman, for the Smart Gardener.